is Emily Gardner, and Emily has provided us with an amazing amount of knowledge that I knew nothing about it. What about some of the other things you do?
Another cause that's dear to my heart is, not surprisingly, helping young people or supporting young people develop careers in science or conservation. And I just became involved with this really great group called A-Team for Wildlife. There are 17 members. They're kids from all around the world that are doing truly amazing things. They've raised millions of dollars. They've fought, gone up against international corporations, all to protect wildlife. So I'm happy to be on the board, and they've just won a national award from the National Association of Environmental Professionals as one of the groups that's doing the most good for the environment this year.
Is that here in Hawaii?
It's not here in Hawaii. These kids are all over the world, and I have to say they are truly doing amazing things, and I feel very privileged and honored to be working with them.
It has to start with that, doesn't it? It starts with education.